Welcome to 979 Meadow Glen. This property is in the Meadow Glen subdivision in Boulder. As you enter, it's open and bright, vaulted ceilings. Off to our left here, we've got a beautiful living room, skylights, cozy reading nook, or a perfect place for an office. We've got a gas fireplace, built-in bookshelves, and that all leads out to the back patio. Here we've got a wet bar with refrigerator, open and bright kitchen. This home backs to Meadow Glen green space. Formal dining room. And here is our primary living room, another gas fireplace. Out this way, we'll go to the back deck. We've got automatic sunshades at the press of a button. Private pond. Behind us is the rec center with tennis courts and a pool. In the kitchen, we've got new quartz countertops, new appliances, excellent view outside of the kitchen window, a large washer and dryer room. Over here, we've got two-car garage storage off to the right, insulated. And in here, we've got a 600 square foot crawl space for extra storage. Upstairs, we've got 3 bedrooms, bathroom. And here we have our primary master suite, vaulted ceilings, southern and west views of the mountains. Absolutely beautiful today. Blackout curtains. And in here we've got the bathroom. This is a luxury 5-piece bathroom, his and her sinks, his and her closets, and a big soaking tub. Thanks for watching.